What's the meaning of crime wave? Crime wave. Crime wave.
Crime wave. Crime wave. A crime wave is a term used to describe an increase in criminal activity, typically over a relatively short period of time. This can include various types of crimes such as theft, robbery, assault, and murder. Crime waves can have significant negative impacts on individuals and communities, including increased fear and anxiety, economic losses, and reduced quality of life. Law enforcement agencies often respond to crime waves through increased patrols, targeted investigations, and public awareness campaigns aimed at preventing victimization and encouraging community members to report suspicious activities.